Man, what's up, y'all? JSB the Creator, and I'm back again with a new video today for y'all.
Hello, motherfucker.
Today's video is a little special video, you feel me? And it's not because I got a baby Yoda strapped to my back
I am
right
not
now,
baby.
harassing me.
I'm
Alright?
22 years old.
Has nothing to do
My
with
name
that.
is Jonathan.
Today's video is special, like I said, because I'm working on something for my best friend, Kanan Briggs, aka K9. Alright? So my dog hits me up. He's like, yo, I need you to make me a FAMU denim jacket, right? My dog graduated from FAMU a while back. You know what I mean? I did some time at the University of Oregon. You see the drip. You see what's going on. You know, Oregon all day. Shout out to Puddles. But that's not the point. So he wanted me to do a FAMU denim jacket. I was like, hey man, say less. I got you. You know what I mean? So I've done a jacket before in the past for another one of my best friends. I'm gonna do another one for one of my best friends. Look, if you're my best friend, you're getting a custom denim jacket. That's automatic. You know what I mean? That's automatic, man. So let's get to this FAMU denim jacket. I'm about to kill it. I gotta kill it. It's my dog. And you know, FAMU has always showed me mad love when I've gone out there. You know, he's taking me out there for a couple of events, homecoming, his graduation, a couple other things, man. And man, look, I got nothing else but good things to say about FAMU. They treat a brother right. You know what I mean? So other than that, let's get cooking to this FAMU jacket, man. You know what I mean? Doing another FAMU project right now. I might have a video up already, or it might not be up, but whatever. I got another FAMU video coming for somebody else from FAMU. So FAMU been showing mad love, man. Shout outs to FAMU, HBCU, man, all day, every day. So yeah, let's get to that FAMU denim jacket. About to kill it. Let's get it. Hey man, once again guys, thanks for checking out today's video I did on this custom denim jacket for my day one homie, my bro, my brother, Kanan Brigands, you feel me? So you know I had to hit it with that FAMU flavor, man. I got the year, you know, FAMU was founded, you know, I got the Rattlers on, a snake on there, you know what I mean? I threw on, you know, my dog loves, you know, designer, so I had to throw a little subtle LV pattern on the tail, you know, Florida boy, gotta have the golds. So I gotta have the Rattlers with the gold, you know what I mean? And I gotta have the Cuban link chain with his nickname on it, the K9, you know. Also had to throw on the year he graduated on the shoulder piece, you know, little flair. Overall, the jacket came out pretty fresh to me. Gotta get this to my dog so he can rock it ASAP, you know. So you guys, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if you didn't mess with it, it's all good too. So like I usually say, enjoy your day, night, or whatever it is, wherever you at. And until next time, I'll check y'all out. Peace!